Hey, crypto enthusiasts, if you're looking to find the next hot meme coin, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can discover trending meme coins on Pump.fun, a platform that tracks coin prices, social sentiment, and market trends. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Pump.fun. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a simple, easy to navigate dashboard. To find potential meme coins, start by checking the trending section. This is where you'll see coins that are gaining momentum, often due to viral social media trends or community buzz. And next, you can filter the coins by gainers, losers, or sort them by volume or price change. This is crucial because meme coins often pump quickly and you'll want to catch them early. Click on a coin that catches your eye and you'll get a detailed view of its market data. Here you can see things like price charts, market cap, and trading volume. Pump Fun works with a bonding curve. A bonding curve is a mathematical formula that controls the price of a token based on how many tokens exist. As more people buy, the price increases along the curve. When people sell, the price drops. This system ensures tokens always have liquidity and transparent pricing. Meme coins are heavily influenced by social media, so it's important to check out the community's sentiment. Look for active discussions on platforms like Twitter and Reddit to gauge whether a coin is getting traction. Now, just a quick reminder. While meme coins can be fun and exciting, they're highly volatile. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. There is always high risk involved. That's it for today's quick guide on how to find good meme coins on Pump.fun. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips.